Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I'm going to show you how to drag image from Google or from any search engine into your Samsung Notes. So I will open the Samsung Notes. I will create a new note over here. So you can see I open a new page and then I will use the split screen mode. So I will just drag out the tray over here and then I select this Samsung internet. Okay guys, so Samsung internet browser, I just select, I just drag over here. Okay, and then you see I already search some of the images, so you can select, you can search any other image. For example, I select this heart anatomy. Okay, so you can see there are different images. Now if I want to drag them to my Samsung Notes, I can easily drag it. Okay, so for example, I select this image, I just use my S Pen, just put on top of the image. Okay, and then simply just drag it like this. You can see over here guys, I'm dragging it to my Samsung Notes. Okay, so I put it over here. Okay, and then I can also make it bigger. Okay, and then I can write here using the pen option. Okay, I can also write as a text. Okay, then for example I highlight it. Okay, and then for example, if I want to do something with the image, if I want to write on the image, I can also do it. So guys, in the comment section I heard this issue when someone is trying to drag the image, the link also came along, which caused a big problem while taking the notes. So to fix it, you have to update your Samsung internet guys. So how you can do it, I will show you. So you have to go back and then first you will go into the Galaxy Store. Once you go into the Galaxy Store, on the top left side you will see these three lines. Just select them and then you see an option over here, it says updates. Just select it, and once you open it you will see an option over here, it says Samsung internet browser. Okay, just select it, and then you see this option of update. So just select this update option. It will take just a few minutes to update completely. Samsung internet browser is now updated. So simply what you can do now is you are ready to go. You can open your Samsung Notes and then you can easily drag any image. So I will show you again. For example, you open your Samsung Notes and then you can open this tray to open the internet in the split screen. So I will drag it over here and then simply you can search any image. Okay, so you can for example, I open these images already, so simply just use your S Pen, just grab the image and then drag into your notes, and then you can easily write down, and you can easily change the size of the image. Before there was an issue because when you try to drag the image, the link of the image also came, but now there is no such issue. You just have to update your Samsung internet, also update your Samsung Notes in the Galaxy Store, so you can easily drag your image. So you can see over here there is no more links coming along with the image. So this is really helpful. So you can see over here, I try to drag different images just to show you that there is no more links coming along the image. So because I heard this issue many times, and in the comment section some of the people, they have this issue, and now Samsung fixed that issue. So for example, I try some other search. So for example, I try respiratory system. So you can see there are different images over here. I try to drag this image. Okay, and then you can see over here I can easily drag it and there is no more links. So please update your Samsung internet browser, also update your Samsung Notes. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you.